Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to be drawing this robot. Now you can either draw along or watch me draw. Either way, if you stay till the end of this tutorial, you're going to find out who is holding on to this robot's hand. So let's get started. So on the top right, you can see the reference robot that I put up there. And I'm going to start with a sketch. First, I'm going to draw some large geometric shapes and then some lines to build a framework, an outline for my robot. Now, before I start drawing, I am going to erase some of my sketch lines so they don't overpower my illustration. And then I'm going to move on to the drawing part. Now I want to point out, you don't have to follow the reference robot at all. It's just that, a reference. You can make this robot your own. You can make it more wide or more skinny, more rounded. Just let your imagination be free. I might change some minor details in the front, but we'll see. Little robot face. And now on to my favorite part, the details. So I'm going to change some of his dials in the front, his instruments. And then I'm going to move on to who or what is holding his hand. Can you guess? Little robot is. You probably guessed it by now. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me and keep on drawing.